Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening settings and choosing security and lock screen. Now scroll down and choose face recognition. Over here you need to enter your current screen lock and then follow all of those instructions. Now choose next after 5 seconds and remember to keep your face in frame. After that, you need to tap on one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I will go with show all notifications content, so I have to click on it and tap on done. Now choose turn on at the bottom right corner. And over here you can manage face unlock settings by choosing those switchers or remove it completely by choosing remove face data. So now when I click on home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!